Hey everyone, welcome back to TechWealth Hub. Today we're diving into something that's blowing up right now. If you've been using Claude for coding, for research, for anything intensive lately, you might have noticed something feels off. Responses are sloppier, reasoning is weaker, and people are starting to talk. This video breaks down exactly what happened, with real evidence. But before we get into it, a quick shout out to Conductor OSS. It works with Claude, Codex, Gemini, every major coding agent, and it runs fully local on your machine. No cloud, no vendor lock-in. Link is in the description. This tweet from OM Patel just hit 431,000 views in less than 24 hours. Over 1,900 likes, 852 bookmarks, and 65 quote tweets. That kind of engagement tells you this topic hit a nerve. The claim? Anthropic nerfed Claude Opus 4.6 due to demand, but Opus 4.5 somehow escaped the nerf. And this isn't just vibes or anecdotal complaining. A developer ran the same test on both models and got consistent, reproducible results. Opus 4.6 failed every time. Opus 4.5 passed every time. Same prompt, same conditions, different outcomes. That's not noise, that's a signal. So, what is this test exactly? It's deceptively simple. You ask the model a trick question. I want to wash my car. The car wash is 50 meters away. Should I drive or walk? Now, any human who thinks about this for 2 seconds realizes you have to drive, because you need to bring your car with you. You're not walking to a destination, you're transporting your car. A smart model gets this instantly. But a degraded model, one running on lower quantization or reduced compute, falls for the surface-level pattern. It sees 50 meters and thinks, walk. This developer now runs this test at the start of every Claude Code session as a quantization canary. If the model fails, it's degraded and he switches to a different window or model. He tried 5 Opus 4.6 sessions in a row. All 5 failed. Consistently. Then he switched to Opus 4.5 and said, quote, "What a difference. Feels like I got Opus." Let's look at the actual footage. On the left, we have Opus 4.6 with extended thinking enabled. The user asks the car wash question. The model thinks about it and then starts typing. Look closely at what it says. It starts with wall, it's about to say walk. For a car wash. That you need your car for. Now watch Opus 4.5 handle the same question. Same prompt, same setup. Extended thinking on. And what does it say? You'll need to drive. You're washing the car, so the car needs to come with you. It nails it immediately. One model understands physical context. The other doesn't. And these are supposedly the same family, just different versions. The degradation is visible in the output. Here's what's probably happening. Anthropic is dealing with massive demand for Opus 4.6. Every coding agent, every startup, every developer who upgraded to Max is hammering the same model. When servers get overloaded, companies have 2 choices: add more GPUs, or reduce the compute per request. The second option is invisible to users if done carefully, but it clearly isn't being done carefully here. The developer calls it a quantization canary because quantization is exactly what you'd lower to handle more concurrent requests. Fewer bits per wait means faster inference, but dumber output. And the most frustrating part? There's no transparency. No announcement. No, hey, we're running Opus 4.6 at reduced capacity. Users are just supposed to not notice. But people did notice. And now they're running Canary tests before doing real work, which tells you how much trust has eroded. The community response has been intense. Multiple users in the replies are saying they're canceling their Max plans. The sentiment is clear. If I'm paying a premium for Opus, I expect the actual Opus quality, not a quietly downgraded version. This is exactly the kind of vendor lock-in problem that makes fully local solutions so compelling. With Conductor OSS, you pick your model. You control the compute. Nobody can silently nerf your setup behind your back. You run it on your own machine, with your own hardware, and the quality you get is the quality you chose. Check it out at conductros.com. It's open source, the link to the GitHub repo is in the description, and it works with every major coding agent. Claude Code, Codex, Gemini, you name it. Give it a star if you like what you see. That's it for today. If you've been feeling like Opus got dumber lately, you're not imagining it. Try switching to Opus 4.5 and see for yourself. And if you want to stop depending on cloud providers to not silently degrade your tools, check out Conductor OSS. Links are in the description. like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.